Witness the birth of elegance from the heart of fire. In this dimly lit sanctuary of industry, a single drop of molten light begins its transformation. The air is thick with the scent of heat and potential. Here, temperature is the artist, and technology is the master of a centuries-old craft reborn. As dawn breaks over the facility, the mechanical giants stand ready. This is where human ingenuity meets the raw, unbridled power of thermal energy and physics. Every movement is calculated. Every second is optimized. We are entering a world where the intersection of extreme heat and future technology creates pure magic. Look closely at the cooling surface, where light dances in fluid patterns. This is the moment material stability is reached, locking beauty into a permanent form. That's the journey from liquid fire to solid art is a delicate balance. It requires precision that only the most advanced robotic systems in the world can provide. The recipe for perfection begins with the earth. Pure quartz sand, soda ash, and limestone are meticulously blended to ensure the highest possible clarity and strength. This precise combination is the foundation of every masterpiece. Each grain must be perfectly proportioned before it faces the trial of the scorching industrial furnace. Enter the heart of the storm. Inside this massive chamber, temperatures climb to 1,500 degrees Celsius, turning solid stone into a flowing liquid river of gold. At 1,500 degrees, all impurities are burned away. The glass becomes a pure, homogeneous liquid, ready to be shaped by the hands of advanced robotics. A river of liquid light flows toward its destination. This distribution channel ensures a steady, controlled supply of material for the high-speed shaping process that follows. And the consistency is monitored by sensors in real time. Even a slight variation in temperature could affect the final product's quality, so absolute control is strictly maintained. Precision begins with the cut. High-speed blades slice the molten stream into individual gobs, each weighing exactly what is needed for a single artistic glass bottle. These glowing cylinders fall with rhythmic perfection. Each one is a promise of a new creation, captured in midair before the robots take over the process. With lightning speed, the robotic arm intervenes. It catches the molten mass and directs it toward the molding station with a level of accuracy no human could match. This is the dance of the machines, a synchronized ballet of steel and sensors working in perfect harmony to process hundreds of units every single minute. Multi-axis control allows for complex maneuvers. The robots can rotate, flip, and position the glass with sub-millimeter precision, ensuring every bottle is identical and flawless. Listen to the heartbeat of the factory. The hiss of pneumatic valves and the hum of electric motors provide the soundtrack to this high-tech manufacturing spectacle. By automating every step, we eliminate human error. The result is a level of consistency that transforms industrial production into a high-stakes form of modern art. Now the transformation deepens. High-pressure air is injected into the heart of the molten gob, forcing it outward to meet the intricate walls of the mold. Within the dark confines of the mold, the air shapes the void. The glass stretches and thins, taking on the elegant curves of the master design. The mold pulls away, revealing a newborn form. Though still glowing with the heat of the furnace, the bottle has finally found its permanent artistic silhouette. Every intricate detail, from the curve of the neck to the texture of the base, is perfectly captured. The mold has done its work with surgical precision. A robotic hand gently lifts the fragile creation. As even though it is solid, the glass is still vulnerable to thermal shock and must be handled with care. It joins its companions on the conveyor line. A parade of glowing vessels, each one a testament to the power of heat and the precision of technology. The molds are instantly cooled and prepared for the next cycle. This continuous loop of creation happens thousands of times a day without a single pause. The shaping is complete, but the journey is far from over. To become truly durable, these bottles must now face the long tunnel of thermal tempering. Step into the tunnel of time. This is the annealing layer, a massive temperature-controlled environment where the glass will be slowly and carefully cooled down. Thousands of bottles march in unison through this cooling chamber. If cooled too quickly, the glass would shatter from internal stress. Patience is now the priority. Observe the color shift. As the temperature drops, the fiery glow fades away. It's replaced by the crystal-clear transparency that defines high-quality, artistic glass containers. This slow cooling process removes internal tensions within the material. It ensures that the final product is not only beautiful, but incredibly strong and resilient. Hour after hour, the bottles travel through the varying temperature zones. It is a calculated descent from the extreme heat of creation to room temperature stability. At a molecular level, the glass is stabilizing. This phase is crucial for ensuring the durability that will last for decades of use and reuse. They emerge into the light, transformed. What was once sand and fire is now a clear, solid vessel ready to be tested by the highest standards. Now comes the trial of the lasers. Each bottle passes through a high-tech inspection station where digital eyes scan every square millimeter for even the tiniest flaw. Artificial intelligence analyzes the 3D geometry in real time. It checks for wall thickness, neck diameter, and any structural anomalies that might compromise the product's integrity. Even a microscopic bubble or a hairline fracture cannot hide from the laser's gaze. Our commitment to quality means only the absolutely perfect bottles move forward. The imperfect is rejected instantly. Any bottle that falls short of our 99.9% perfection rate is diverted back to be crushed and recycled into new raw material. The chosen ones continue their journey. These bottles have survived the fire, the pressure, and the rigorous digital scrutiny, proving their worth as high-end glass art. The integration of AI and laser technology ensures that our quality control is infallible. It is the final barrier between the factory floor and the consumer's hand. Final assembly begins. A specialized robot arm organizes the bottles into perfect rows, preparing them for a long journey across the globe to their final destinations. Layer by layer, the pallets are built with mathematical precision. Every bottle is positioned to maximize safety during transport while maintaining the elegance of the brand. The stretch wrap machine seals the deal. It spins with hypnotic speed, encasing the pallet in a protective layer that keeps the contents pristine and secure. This final protective barrier ensures that not a single speck of dust touches the glass until it reaches the customer's warehouse, thousands of miles away. An automated guided vehicle arrives to collect the finished goods. Without a single human driver, the pallet is whisked away toward the loading docks with silent efficiency. This is the future of logistics. A seamless, lights-out operation where machines manage the flow of goods from the furnace to the shipping container. They are ready for the world. These masterpieces of glass engineering are now staged for export, representing the pinnacle of modern manufacturing and artistic vision. Behold the final result: a single bottle, born from the chaos of a 1,000-degree furnace and refined by the cold precision of robotic technology. See how it captures the light. The clarity is absolute, the curves are perfect, and the strength is Vinku. This is the true meaning of glass art. Every piece carries the mark of excellence. It is a symbol of a process that respects tradition while embracing the most advanced technologies of the future. From sand to masterpiece, the journey is complete. We have witnessed the incredible transformation of raw elements into a vessel of pure, crystalline beauty. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of fire and silicon. We hope you enjoyed seeing how robots create the art we use every day. Tuyet fam tulua, vakongay robot. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing journeys into the world of modern manufacturing. Goodbye.